Let's watch this video so that I have some 1 or 2 things to tell you. Let's watch this video.
Where you going?
I need to.
This boy they go out me. Alpha, find me something.
Eh? Ma, find you something. Where you go? Shut up.
Find me something. See this boy, you don't say my. Yeah, they come on here. Come on here.
You tell me fine. I know get. Not there. Nothing
Yeah,
in my hand.
they come on here.
Ma, what you want to do if I don't come here? You go do me anything.
Ah, punch you.
This is my law. Let me get. Wait. See this guy. You know me? No. Okay. You know what? People one challenge. You dey kill them. No try. You dey. Use your head. Don't make me vex for you. Okay. Who will be for this place? Who will be? Shine how you? You keep people. No, they keep for this one. My God. Eh? Mind your words. You hear me? Mind your words. Man, you put the test climb on the Jew.
No.
These boys, they know the fear people again. They look at the day, do that thing there.
Poor man picking. Hey.
Me this boy they talk to. Let's say never know me for the area. I'm sure. Yes, come back.
Wait,
You're curious.
but because of me, carry color. Wait, too much. Because of me, I carry color. Move up. You dey kill it.
If you know shit,
Wait, too. See this boy. You dey kill it. You know me. Eh? Now me do challenge. So what?
I don't want peace. I want problems always. Jesus.
Wetin be this? Jesus. Blood of Jesus. See my head, they go inside. Give me linear cup.
Bombastic side eye.
Oh shit!
Don't worry.
where's gonna black Jesus? No. Better days ahead.
Ima, you dey threaten me?
Let the boy go now.
I wonder.
Fear, I pour you spit.
I'm robber.
He tried it.
Jesus.